time for my lunch break. I hate Oreos though. But it's the only thing we can afford. It's time to start eating. Chimico! What do you want, Shelly?
What? The Oreo? No. You can't have the Oreo. It's chocolate. You can't eat chocolate.
Reversible. No, Shelly, I said no. Hey, what you doing? Come back here. Chimico! Oh, Shelly! I can't believe Shelly took my Oreos. Wait, Shelly's not even his name. It's Richter. At least I got spare Oreos. What is it, Kago? Wait, the Oreo? Kago, you can't have an Oreo. Dogs have chocolate. You can't eat chocolate. No, Kago, I said no.
What are you doing? What?
Oh, Kago!
Oh, I can't believe that stupid dog shit on the ground.
Oh, I'm not gonna clean this mess up. Gaming! What now, Chef Pee-Pee?
Oh, look what your dog did.
Kago, did you poop on the floor again? Bad dog. Bad dog. That's a bad boy. You won't get this if you keep misbehaving like that.